Today I'm going to show you how to go from these old faded headlights to brand new ones just like this. Changing the headlights on my 1991 F-150. First you're going to take off the cover of the grill. You got 1, 2, 3, 4 screws right here, and then you got a couple at the top. I haven't watched the video, I'm just kind of looking at it and seeing what I would need to take off to get this first step done. Step 1 is complete. I don't know if you can tell, but I just took off the top plastic piece of the grill. Just set it out to the side. I'll probably take this time to clean it up a little bit before I reinstall. Step 2 is removing the grill. It's real simple. It's got these 4 little tabs. You stick a screwdriver in it, pry it up, and just pull off. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then some of you guys, if you, I guess your vehicle's in good condition, you have 1 screw right here as well. Mine's missing, so you just popped it off. You begin step 3. Your vehicle should look like this, where you got the plastic cover removed, the grill removed. Then you're ready to work on the headlights. So starting off with the first headlight, starting off on the driver's side, it's gonna be 4 bolts. 1, 2, and then the other 2 corresponds on the back side, but you can just follow along the plastic. It's going to be 2 more for a total of 4. Dimension on this one is actually going to be a 5th bolt that actually holds like the headlight assembly bracket to the body of the car, the frame of the car. So it's going to be located just below this bolt area here, and just take it off. Just like that, got the old one out. About to prep to get the new one put in.